starter pack. Instead, get it open and replace that battery. So all you need to do, disconnect those wires, unplug the battery. You gotta open it up to find out the type that you need, but once you do that, your system will be working again. But it'll be a waste of money to buy a new one. Get it open and replace that battery pack. A manager, when I was on the Key Biscayne Island, was going to toss his. And I recommended changing that battery, and he asked me, "You can do that?" And he was so thankful that he saved his jumper pack just by switching out the batteries, and he was so delighted. This one was kind of, for some reason, I tried to unbolt it, unscrew the casing to get the battery out, but it didn't work. So I took my grinder and grind the sides to open the case. Now I'm going to have to find a way to tape it or strap it back together, but it works fine. This one I had to take my little grinding wheel and get it open, but I got it open. Putting it up here. But I wanted to know what type of battery that I needed to replace. And it's right there. It's an RT 12180, 12 volt, 8 amps, 20 hour. It's a pretty heavy duty battery here. At some point I'm going to have to replace it. But this is really nice. It jumps your car. Has a cell phone charger here. It's a little light. There. The test button to see how much power you got left in the battery. And this here, you turn this, and you're ready to jump. You grab your jumper cables. Back here, and then jump your vehicle. But do not toss it. It would be a waste of money to toss it.